Hello, today, no, that's not good. Okay, so today I wanted to test if Robinson's Fruit Shoot, this is an apple and blackcurrant flavoured one, creates a positive COVID test using these self-test kits at home, like everyone's been saying in the press and online and stuff like that. So I thought, I want to try it myself. So I've got some dregs in the bottom, so I'm going to put, if I can put a few drops, that's not too many. Watch me overshoot. Oh, that's probably too many. Too much. Get it right. So let's see what happens now. So if we leave this for 20, 30 minutes, let's see what happens. You can see it's already coming up on the, so we need a C and a T line for it to be positive. If we just get a C line, it means it's negative. I think if we get just a T line, does that mean it's a false reading? I don't know. I should really read the instructions as well, but let's see what happens. Let's leave it 20 odd minutes and we'll see if anything happens. Okay, so 20 something minutes later. Oh God, ignore that horrible blister I've got on my thumb now. And only faint lines on the C and the T. So not really successful, that is it? So fruit shoots don't really do it. But again, please don't fake these tests. I'm only just doing it because I'm curious.